Hi, I'm Alan, and I bought some netting to put over my drums. I had habanero peppers on them, and it seemed like they're always bottling this very first half-barrel garden we got. So what I'm going to do here, I bought some of my netting. I'll have a link down below. I bought it off of Amazon, and I'll show you it right here. I have 4 tomato plants. And this one here, there was a tomato plant there, but it's gone. It was just laying over, busted in half, and then the next day it was gone. So I don't know, the squirrels come and get it or what. We're gonna put up bamboo posts, then put netting around it. They're not bottling the other barrels. That's the thing about it. I put habanero seeds in all the barrels, just the very first barrel. Got a weed growing up here. Now I'll show you what I got off of Amazon. Okay, this is what I ordered here. This garden mesh netting, so it makes something like a greenhouse effect. And then I ordered these two. These are two separate orders. Greenhouse hoops. These hoops here will be connected with these things here. And then I got these clips here to hold the netting on onto these rods here. And I might make this a few different videos, one barrel at a time. And because what my problem is now, because I didn't think about it beforehand, I butted these drums together. So because everything going on the side, but it might be a good idea doing this way. I'm gonna put a hoop around here, attach it on that side somehow permanently or semi-permanently, and then put a first strip on this end. First strip is a 1x1 piece of wood, and I can attach the netting on that. That way I can just open it up, flop it over, do my trimming, pruning, picking, and then flop it back down again. That's what I'm thinking of right now. Okay, we got these bamboo posts cut, but you notice they're all different lengths. They're not the same. So I'm gonna have to pick a couple that's pretty close. See, that first barrel, I don't need no tall one. I can change them over later. Let me see something here. Okay, this one here is 4 feet and 10 inches. That's the longest one. Oh. See, these two here, I think I'm going to use them first barrel because those plants are really small right now. We can change them out later. Put it on there. Okay, this is 4 feet 1 inch. So I'll use these two here. Might want 3. No, those sharp barrels. 2 probably do it. Okay, I'll use these 4 feet for this first barrel. It's not too sturdy though.
You gotta make one stab and leave it there.
I know I did. That's what I did. Well, this soil is not pushed down all the way. I actually want to take those out, put taller ones in. You know what? Second barrel.
It's fine. You can swap if you want.
See what we got here. Got these wrapped pretty well. Put this in my pocket for now. Okay, now here we go. Connectors here. They're supposed to be able to bend. They seem pretty stiff though. Let's see what we got here. Oh, I don't think they're going to bend that well.
No.
They should have gave me some T-fittings. Oh, just broke it. No, I just broke it. Just a connector. So, tried to bend it and the connector broke. Let me see what it says here. See, they're showing it in the hoop. These are not bending here. It shows it being bent. It don't show you how to bend them on the instructions. If you order these, be at your own choice. Interesting. Oh. I thought they was going to be flexible. I would not order these again. The link will still be in the description box if you want to try it, figure it out more better than I can. So I might have to see if I can find a T-fitting for this. That's the only way it's going to work. I'm disappointed. Really disappointed. I haven't wrote a review to Amazon yet. I will. Very disappointed.
I see you.
Okay, this is the only video I'm gonna have about this right now until I can figure something out. Then I'm gonna start doing it again. I will put this video out. Well, thanks for watching. Until next time.